Background of new economic policy. Indian economy during late 1980s. To achieve the goals of higher economic growth, social justice, poverty eradication, and self-reliance, our institutional structure centered on the mixed economy principle, where both public and private sectors functioned with their distinctive roles. The outcomes of control-ridden economy were the emergence of inefficiencies of the economy. It is said that control and scarcity create a vicious circle of low productivity. Scarcity demands control that brings in rationing in distribution line. This creates delays in the creation of new productive capacity and therefore lowers output and the demand-supply imbalances. Emergence of new economic policy. The main objectives behind the launching of the new economic policy, or NEP, in 1991 are started as follows. 1. To plunge Indian economy into the arena of globalization. 2. To bring down the rate of inflation and to remove imbalances in payment. 3. To build sufficient foreign exchange reserves. 4. To achieve economic stabilization and to convert the economic into a market economy. 5. To permit the international flow of goods, services, capital, human resources and technology. And 6. To increase the participation of private players in the all sectors of the economy. Stabilization and structural measures. The response to the crisis was to put in place a set of policies aimed at stabilization and structural reform. While the stabilization policies were aimed at correcting the weaknesses that had developed on the fiscal and the balance of payments fronts, the structural reforms sought to remove the rigidities that had entered into the various segments of the Indian economy.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.